zibhala maduzane nje. Sinothisha abanethulela izifundo zika grade 12 zonke izinsuku kusukela ngoMsombuluko kuze kube yiSonto. Zithokozeleni lezi zifundo, nisithumelele imibuzo lapho nidinga khona usizo.
Sanibonani bafundi baka grade 12 2020. Lo khulumayo uthisha uMabaso ofundisa ePhendukane Full Service High School i-Life Sciences. La ku-Life Sciences sinamaphepha amabili, that is paper 1 and paper 2. And ngiqale nje ngithi hlakaza kancane life sciences ukuthi kahle kahle ikhuluma ngani nokuthi kwenzekalani ku-life sciences. I-life sciences is all around us, everything around us, yonke into around thina nje kuyi-life science. Njengamanje njengoba ngikhuluma izwi lami liphuma lapha ku-larynx, that is the voice box, lingene speaking, from speaking lihambe ngama-sound waves liyongena endlebeni yakho. And when you receive these sound waves, uwathola ngegwagwa lendlebe, that is the pinna, and it directs them noma iyathatha imsindo lama waves lana iwafake phakathi endlebeni ku-auditory canal. From auditory canal ayadlula ngama-sound waves ayelapha kulento esana lokuqala okuthiwa i-tympanic membrane or i-eardrum. Le tympanic membrane ke bese iyanyakaza noma iya-vibrator, indlulisa lama-vibrations noma lokunyakaza kwayo kuyothinta amathambo amathathu alapha ku-middle ear. Lawo mathambo kuthiwa ama-ossicles, alright? I-incus, i-anvil kanye ne-stirrup. So lamathambo lawo ayanyakaza. Lamathambo umsebenzi wawo ukuthi-ke andise umsindo noma siyasithi-ke ngesingisi amplify the sound waves. Bese iyawadlulisela lama-sound waves ayodlula ku-round window, alright? Sorry, oval window. Ku-oval window i-vibrate nayo futhi bese ngena ku-cochlear. I-cochlear ke ihlukene ke kabili noma kathathu. Ingaphandle perilymph, bese uthi ngaphakathi nendawo kube khona i-endolymph. Lapha le ndawo mayinyakaza i-perilymph ngaphezulu kube sekunyakaza ne-endolymph le ephakathi nendawo. Le endolymph bese ithinta i-organ of Corti. Le organ of Corti ishintshe ama-sound waves iwenze ama-impulses noma imizwa yokuzwa, okay? Bese ke iya-convert le mizwa lena iyenze ama-impulses. Lama-impulses esithathwa yina i-auditory nerve, alright? Umthambo lo wokuzwa isihambisa kuphi engqondweni bese uyeza ukuthi ngithi sanibonani bafunde ba grade 12 i-interpret ingqondo lokho, okay? Bese uyakwazi to ngizwa. So that is life sciences. So ngamanye amazwi ngisho ukuthi ke everything around us, everything that we do is life sciences. That's why ingane zami ngiyathi ke sidla u-life, alright? Then namhlanje sobheka i-chapter elapha ku-paper 2, that is genetics. But before ngingena nje kule genetics, ake si-check ukuthi amaphepha ame kanjani. Siqale ngo-paper 1. Lapha paper 1 we have got i-topic layer, i-meiosis. U-meiosis ukhona ku-paper 1 and ukhona ku-paper 2. And ku-paper 1 i-meiosis ina 11 marks. Alright? Yiziphi lesibhekayo lapha ku-meiosis na? We look at the processes of meiosis ukuthi yenzeka kanjani i-meiosis, iyini i-meiosis. I-meiosis ke ukuhlukana kwama-cells ukuze kukhandeke ama-gametes. Alright? Ngamanye amazwi ama-gametes ke ilawo ma-cells layo athola kubantu besilisa labantu besifazane enza ukuthi mayihlangana kukhandeke ingane noma umuntu. Alright? And lapha ke i-meiosis inezigaba ezine noma ezinhlanu ehlukene ngazo. Efanele ubheke lapho interface. Phase yokuqala lapho isaphumula isalungiselela ukuthi ke li-divide either by mitosis noma by mitosis. And ngalo sikhathi kwenzakala na ilokuthiwa i-DNA replication. I-DNA ke siyazi ke ukuthi ke ulibofuzo. So le DNA lena ke iyona ephatha ufuzo and ilidlulisele kusukela kubazali kuya kubantwana. and ngalo sikhathi yenza DNA na iyaziphinda-phinda, that is DNA replication. Yini indaba iphinda-phinda na? Ukuze ikwazi ukuthi-ke uma sekukhandeka ama-cells ekupheleni kokuhlukana kwayo noma kwe-division, abe nalo ufuzo each and every cell lo sikubiza ukuthi ama-daughter cells. In other words, i-DNA replication is for a doubling of genetic material to be shared by the daughter cells. So ngamanye amazwi lapha i-cell lisaphumule lisayilungisela ukuthi-ke sizophinda-phindeka. Alright, ngoba zonke izinto uma zikhula ngakuthi ama-cells azalane wodwa ande kuze kukhandeke le ilukana umuntu noma isitshalo. And then bese-ke i-meiosis lena ke ihlukene ngama-phase-ke. Eyokuqala uprophase 1. Alright, la ku-prophase 1-ke kususekukhandeka ama-chromosomes. So lapha ku-interface kusuke i-chromatin material ene-DNA asiyagoqala ama-chromatin material esekhanda ama-chromosomes bese ehamba ngamabili, elinye from umama elinye from ubaba. That is paternal and maternal chromosomes come together. Alright, and lama chromosomes wabiza ukuthi ama-homologous chromosome. Iyothi seyophela-ke ku-prophase 1 lama chromosomes bese yagaxana, elikamama ligaxana elababa bashintshane ngofuzo. Alright, in other words, they share the genetic material from the mother and from the father, and that process is called a crossing over. Alright, then emva prophase kulandela i-metaphase lapho amanje ama-chromosomes asekhanda ulayini phakathi cells. Otherwise, they line up, they become line up at the equator of the cell. Ngise lapho nje uma usubhala exam, it is advisable ukuthi usebenzise u-equator kuno middle noma u-center. So examiners athanda ukuthi kusetshenziswe chromosomes arrange themselves at the equator of the cells during metaphase. Ngise lapho nje futhi ku-prophase kwenzeka i-crossing over. I-crossing over yenza ukuthi-ke kube khona lokho sibiza ukuthi i-variation. Njengoba bona emakhaya zalwa baba yedwa noma mama oyedwa kodwa asifani. Alright, njengoba singafani nje genotypically and phenotypically asifani ukuthi noma umbheke ukuthi lo uhlukile kunalona. Alright, lokho sikubiza ukuthi i-variation kudalwa yini i-crossing over lapho ngoba phela kusukusharwa ama-genetic information noma ufuzo between ama-genes kababa nobani nomama. Bese kuthi la ku-metaphase uma lama-chromosomes eshaya ulayini enza umugqa lapha phakathi ne-cell abe ese-arrangeka randomly, that's random arrangement of chromosomes ahlangana izinoma kanjani. Okay, awalandeli indlela ethi ukuthi leli lihamba naleli ukuthi lababa lihamba likamama sonke isikhathi baba mama kuyafana nje. Okay, alright, lokho futhi ikona okudala ukuthi-ke singafani emakhaya. Otherwise, those are the two main causes of variation. So umbuzo ungavela exam ukuthi-ke name the cause of variation. So washo ukuthi 1 is crossing over, 2 random arrangement of chromosomes. Alright, sindlule lapho siye ku-anaphase. Ku-anaphase-ke now esiyadivide-ke manje cell lapha liyahlukana manje ngaphakathi ama-chromosomes ahlukana phakathi ku-centromere bese kuthiwa ama-chromatids, uhafuya ngale uhafuya ngale. Alright, emva kwalokho bese kwenzeka ukuhlukana kwe-cell phakathi nendawo. Leso stage leso sibiza ukuthi-ke i-telophase. Right, which means it is the terminal phase. Asiyahluka abamabili and ngalinye ke manje sele yi-gamete. Alright, sele no half we-number yama-chromosome. Like for instance kuthina abantu sinama-chromosomes awu-46. Alright, uma kwenzeka i-meiosis 1 lama-chromosomes ayadivideka ngo-2, which means that each cell is going to have half the number of chromosomes. So now cells will say they are haploid because cell na 23 and then na 23. Kanekati cell sagcwele, we said it is diploid. Kuthiwa le diploid line number ephelele noma egcwele ama chromosome 46. Kodwa emva kwa-meiosis 1 asiyahlukana lama-cells manje, elinye liba no-half, elinye libe no-half. Bese kuqala u-meiosis 2 ofana exactly ne-mitosis. Usuyadivide u-meiosis 2, ekugcineni sekuphuma-ke is either iqanda noma i-sperm cell. Alright? And then kubaluleke ngani ukuthi-ke sifunde le-meiosis na? 1, ngishilo-ke isizathu sakhona sokuqala nje ukuthi-ke likhanda imbewu yowesilisa nowesifazane. That is the sperm cell and the ova. Esikubiza ukuthi-ke ama-gametes. Okay? 2, inciphisa inamba yama-chromosomes ukuze abe u-half. Ubaba uza na 23, umama eza na 23, ingane zoba na 46. So ngamanye amazwi igcina inamba yama-chromosomes kumuntu ngomuntu ewu-46. So half from the mother and half from the father. So i-haploid ne-haploid mayihlangana zikhanda i-diploid, which is called a zygote. Alright? And okugcina yiloko engikushilo futhi ukuthi-ke iyona i-meiosis edala ukuthi sehlukahlukane emakhaya singafani. Okay? Even ney'lwane, even ney'tshalo, they undergo a variation. That is called, it introduces variation. Njengoba sisho ukuthi i-variation idalwa yina i-crossing over ne-random arrangement of chromosomes lapha ku-meiosis, seku-meiosis kuphela, okay? And then kuyenzeka enzeka amaphutha uma nekhathi seli-divide. Futhi mayehlukana ama-chromosome lapha awasahlukani ngendlela ukuthi-ke alingane. Ukuthi elinye i-cell seba na 1 extra chromosome, elinye liba na 1 less chromosome. Lokho-ke failure of cells to divide during meiosis is called non-disjunction. So fanele uyazi ukuthi i-non-disjunction kakhulukazi nje singathatha i-disorder lekuthiwa i-Down syndrome esibiza ngo-trisomy 21. Lapho nje ukuthi mafanele separate chromosome number 21 lapha, elinye libe nathi chromosomes are extra. Okay? Instead of ukuthi abe na 23, abe na 24. Elinye cell libe na 22 instead of 23. So uma ingane itholakala inama chromosomes awu 27, which means that uma kuhlala ne-sperm esinormal, umuntu i-zygote iphuma lapho sina 47, then umuntu lapho-ke uyaphathwa yisifo kuthiwa i-Downs syndrome. Alright? And then lastly, lapho meiosis, you must also compare mitosis and meiosis differences, okay? And also, confuse the differences between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Njoba-ke ngikhuluma meiosis kangaka nje, it is because meiosis ikhona ku paper 1 and ikhona paper 2. And also, ihloko eziningi noma ama-chapter amaningi, they are directly linked to meiosis. I-meiosis iyalinka ku-genetics le esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Kanjani na? It is because ama-chromosomes lana anama-genes which are portions of DNA. Lama genes iwona aphatha ufuzo olusuka kubazali lwey'nganeni, from ey'nganeni ley'ngane zey'ngane zazo. Otherwise, imuva kusizukulwane ngesizukulwane loluhambile lolu fuzo lehla through inina ama-gametes akhandwe i-meiosis. Akugcini lapho, i-meiosis iyangena futhi lapha ku-human reproduction. Uma sikhuluma ngokukhandwa kwama-gametes, lokuthiwa i-gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Yenzeka meiosis. Alright? Even like evolution iyangena futhi i-meiosis. So i-meiosis ngasho ukuthi i-chapter ecishe iyengamele wonke lama-chapters akhona ku-life sciences. Alright? Silwe lapho ku-paper 1, then sine-reproduction. I-reproduction yona-ke ihlukene kabili. Kukhona i-reproduction in invertebrate animals noma kuma-vertebrates ewu-6 marks yona, kanti i-meiosis u-11 marks. Alright? Lapha-ke ku-reproduction in vertebrates sibheka external and internal fertilization. Okwesibili bese sibheka ama-strategies, diversity of reproductive strategies, iy'ndlela ezizalana ngazo ama-organisms ihlukene. Kukhona lezo y'lwane ey'zala amaqanda esibiza ukuthi-ke zi-oviparous, izala amaqanda njengenkukhu nje, izala iqanda bese ukuthi itshwele likhulele ngaphakathi lidla iyolk ngaphakathi eqandeni. We say they are oviparous. bese kuba khona lapho amaqanda afike azalwe ngaphakathi noma ngathi na afike aqhamseleke ngaphakathi kwenzeka i-fertilization ngaphakathi kumama. Okay, but lo qanda lo liyavaleka libe nokudla phakathi bese ukuthi masizoteta nje noma sizohatcha bese ayazala lokho sikubiza ukuthi ke ovoviviparity. And then sesistart strategy noma indlela ukuthi lama strategies awenza sure ukuthi ke sizala izingane ezizokwazi ukuphila nokuthi zinakekele futhi ziphephe. Bese kuthi lapha khona le kuthiwa iviviparity ilenza ke thi abantu iqanda lifathelezeka ngaphakathi kumama. Alright, ingane ikhwele ngaphakathi ixhumane nomama through i-umbilical cord lokwesibiza ngenongwana ithole ukudla kumama and also noma ikhipha ukungcola ikhiphele kubani kumama. So kunokuhlangana ukuxhumana okukhulu phakathi kwamama nengane and leyo ngane izalwa iphila. So mathathu lamalokana lendlela lezi zokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ke uma ama-organisms noma izilwane zizalana zenze isiqiniseko sokuthi izingane ziphephile futhi ziyaphila. Bese ke uma zizalwa ingane khona ezinye izingane ezizalwa zingaboni emehlweni zingakwazi ukuzenzela and sonke isikhathi zincike kumzali ukuthi aziphe ukudla nokuthi ayikhulise. That type of development sithi i-precocial development. Bese ba ne-atricial development. Precocial and atricial development. So lana kule precocial and atricial development siyayichaza nje sithi atricial development, hatchlings are poorly developed. That is atricial. All right, should I born emehlweni? All right, when they hatch. All right, sorry, there was a mistake lapho. I-precocial ilapho izingane zizalwa zi-well developed, zibona emehlweni, zikwazi ukuyihambela ziyifunani nokudla. That is precocial. Izalwa vele sukuhleze sihlakaniphile yazi yonke into, iyakwazi ukuyidlela, iyakwazi ukuyihambela. All right, kakhulukazi kwenzeka lokho ezinyonini noma enkukhwini. All right, bese kuba khona i-atricial development. So lapho izingane zizalwa zingakwazi ukuzenzela yonke into, sonke isikhathi zincike ekutheni abazali bazinakele. So uma singayibeka nje ngolimi lukaJohn singathi ke the hatchlings are poorly developed when they hatch, unable to feed on their own, and they cannot move. All right, their brain size and intelligence increases a lot after hatching. So lana izalwa ingane ingakwazi ukuzenzela yonke into. That is atricial, like githina abantu, and also like kwezinye futhi inyoni. Uthola ingane inyoni ayinaboya, ayibone emehlweni, ayikwazi ukuyihambela, ayikwazi ukuyidlela. That is bana atricial development. I-precocial njengetswele enkukhwini, ilithi maliphuma itswele enkukhwini iphuma eqandeni selinoboya, liyakwazi ukuyihambela, liyakwazi ukuyidlela. Ileyo ke i-reproduction in mana invertebrates ewu-6 marks. Ingxenye yesibili reproduction okuyingxenye ke enama-marks amaningi, that is human reproduction, yona iwu-31 marks. So lana ke mfundi kumele kube yiyona ingxenye oyifunda kakhulu noma kube yiyona topic oyifunda uzuyifundisisa ngoba iba khona soyeqala kwaphepha 1 kuze uyofika egcineni, ngisho ne-essay egcineni ingaphuma lapha kuba na ku-reproduction and inama-marks amaningi. All right, which is 31 marks. Then i-human reproduction ke lapha ke sibheka ubulili besilisa nobesifazane, ukukhandekwa ke kwembewu yesilisa nembewu yesifazane. That is the sperm and the ovum lokuthiwa i-spermatogenesis ne-oogenesis eyenzeka ngana nge-meiosis lengingayisho ekuqaleni. Alright, sindlule lapho siye ku-topic elandelayo, that is human response to the environment. Nalena-ke futhi-ke inama-marks amaningi. Lana-ke sibheka ingqondo, i-spinal cord, yihlo, indlebe, and it is got 40 marks. And emotions ama-marks reproduction kanye nama-marks human response to the environment, there is 71 marks. So about paper 1 nje mawafunde kahle lapho suno 71 over 60 already suqala upass. All right, and then bese bakhona ama-chapters amafishaneke alandelayo, that is the endocrine system, which is directly linked to a human response to environment. Endocrine system works together with a nervous system, coordination. So a nervous system is electrical coordination or nervous coordination, whereas the endocrine system is the system which deals with the chemical substances like hormones. All right, and then bese kuthi ukubhalisisa wayo yonke into emzimbeni, ngoba amanzi fanele ahlale sezingeni elifanele, ukushisa komzimba fanele sigcine ku-37 degrees Celsius sonke isikhathi. Lokho ubhalansiswa kwezinto zonke emzimbeni, noma ngathina egazini sikubiza ngokuthi-ke i-homeostasis. All right, and then okulandelayo lapho nama-plants nawo ayashintsha ngenxa yokushintsha kwani kwengaphandle nengaphakathi kwalo, lo sibiza ukuthi i-plant response to the environment. Ayakhula ama-plants, so they move, ama-plant movements. Njengokuthi masikhula isitshalo, isiqu sikhula siye phezulu siqonde kuphi elangeni. Lokhu kubizwa kuthiwa i-phototrophism, growth reaction of plants towards light. Okusho ukuthi-ke sonke isikhathi isitshalo simila sibhekane lapho kuqhamuka khona ini ukukhanya, ukuze sikwazi ukukhanda ukudla ngale process okuthiwa i-photosynthesis. So lo sibiza ukuthi i-phototropism. Iy'mpande zona ziyamila ishona ezansi, so they move downwards, zidonswa yina umhlaba, lo sibiza ukuthi i-force of gravity. All right, ama-plants also now ayakwazi ukuyivikela ey'theni. All right, ngokukhipha ama-substances ngama-poisonous noma abe nameva ukuze angadliwa ama-herbivores. All right, and then eyokugcina i-chapter, that is human impact on the environment. So lana-ke sibheka ukuthi abantu izinto abazenzayo ziyenzani indalo, ngabe ziyayilimaza noma ziyayakha. Kodwa esikhathini esiningi njengamanje njena senkingeni ukuthi-ke kunokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Lokhu kuguquka kwesimo sezulu kwenziwa yina ukwanda kwe-carbon in the atmosphere le efudumeza umhlaba. Alright, kunemoya noma ama-gases okuthiwa ama-greenhouse gases enza umhlaba ufudumala. Mase ufudumela kakhulu umhlaba sithi kune-global warming. Le global warming, it leads to climate change, ukuguquka kwani kwesimo sezulu. And uma ubheka njengamanje qale ihlobo liqalile bekusentwa sahlobo ngoSeptember, kodwa izulu belingane simthola umoya esiwuthola lena ngoJuly. Lokho kudalwa yizinto esizenzayo nesiyikhiphayo uma senza imisebenzi yethu noma sikhiqiza izinto ezizenza ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukuphila kulo mhlaba. Kodwa ngesikhathi esifanayo zibe zilimaza indalo nani nemvelo. All right, that is paper 1, which is out of 150 marks. All right, sindlule sibheke upaper 2. Upaper 2 lapha unama-chapter amancane, just only 4 chapters, ukuthi kuphela nje khona awu-2 adle ngokuqina. All right, eyokuqala ileya ye-DNA and RNA. All right, and protein synthesis ewu-27 marks. And esitshilo sathi-ke i-DNA iyona ephatha ini ufuzo. So kubalulekile ukuthi uyazi DNA ngoba nayo iyangena ku meiosis, iyangena ku genetics, iyangena ku human reproduction, iyangena futhi ku evolution. So lama chapters lana axhumene, kukhona ukuxhumana phakathi kwezihloko ze life sciences. So ngifuna uma uyifunda mntanami uyifunde ukuthi uwaxhumanise, uzixhumanise zonke le zihloko lozi. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi ke kubelula ukuthi ke uyizwe i-life science futhi uyazi. Alright? And then iphinde yabuya futhi meiosis lapha ibuya isu-12 marks manje lapha ku paper 2. Sengichazile kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakalani ku meiosis. And ngisaphinda futhi mntanami fundisisa i-meiosis yakho. Once wazi meiosis yakho yonke, zonke lezinye izihloko ze life sciences zibe sezingenela nje ukuthi phaqa phaqa. Alright? And then i-genetics yona u-40 marks, 45 marks. Lokulo 45 marks ke kukhona u12 marks, kukhona usection A iyaphuma, usection B ingaphuma, la kusection C ingaphuma. So enye yama chapters noma yezihloko ofanele uyifunde uzuyifundisise ngaphambi kokuba uyongena ekhumbini lokubhala. And lapha mathathu lama terms. I-terminology is very important like genetics. Fanele ukwazi ukuchaza genetics, inheritance and heredity. Njengoba igama lethu genetics ukundluliswa, sifunda ukundluliswa kofuzo lusuka kubazali luye enganeni. Asigcini lapho, siphinde sifuna ukuthi ke kwenziwa yini ukuthi ke uma ingane seyizaliwe ziyahlukahlukana. Ngaba ngokweziqu, ubude, umbala. Kodwa nje uma sizalwa abazali ababodwa asifane emakhaya. Yiloko esifunda ngako nje la ku genetics. Alright? And then ukuze uyimasarisheke noma uyazi genetics, into efanele uyazi yilokho kuthiwa i-terminology. Uwazi ukuchaza ukuthi lama terms zezinto zisho ukuthini. So namhlanje we're going to specifically look noma siqonda ngqo nama terms azosebenza kuso sonke lesihlobo lesisiqala kuze kuyofika egcineni. So bese ke i-chapter yokugcina i-evolution nayo futhi ende ngokuqina, yona ino 66 marks. Ihlukene kabili. Kukhona lo sibuthi ke i-general evolution lapho esibheka khona ivelaphi yazo zonke izinto eziphilayo lapha emhlabeni. Ngoba osisayensi bathema bebuka bathola ukuthi ke zonke izinto eziphila namhlanje zisukela ezintweni ezaziphila ngezikhathi zakudala. So ngesikhathi sihamba ziya ngokuya ziyazishintsha, azifani nezakudala, kodwa kubune kukhona ubufakazi bokuthi zisuselwa ezintweni zakudala. So ngamanye zonke into eziphilayo zinokhokho yedwa. That's what we're going to look at. Sibuye general evolution. Bese sibuya kithi ke manje abantu ukuthi thina ke lapha ku evolution sizobheka imvelaphi yabo bonke abantu abakhona la emhlabeni. Alright? Siyabonga bafunda. Alright. Bafundi ba grade 12 sesingangena manje ndikimbini namhlanje. Namhlanje sizobheka isihloko i-genetics esiqhubeka ngaso nako ifundo ezilandelayo. La ku genetics into yokuqala efanele sibheke ke i-terminology nezincazelo zakhona, ama terms. Alright? But ukuze uyazi kahle genetics nawo lama terms amathathu efanele uwazi. Kukhona kuthiwa inheritance, to inherit, inheritance esingisi. Ngigcine ngithe sobheka ama terms asetshenziswayo lapha ku genetics. Lama terms ngizoqala ngihambise ngamabili. Khona i-chromatin ne-chromosome. So i-chromatin yilapho ama-chromosomes esahlukahlukene during i-interphase of meiosis. Alright? And then uma sekwenza i-prophase asiyagoqana ayahlangana manje asiqala ukubonakala lapho siwabiza ukuthi ama-chromosomes. Alright? So i-chromosome ikhandwe ama-chromatids amabili. Yini ama-chromatids na? Ama-chromatids i-DNA noma ulibo olufuzo olude olugoqele. Alright? So kuqala ngama-chromatin bese ahlangana kuqala ama-chromatin akhande ama-chromosome. And then lapha kulezingxenye iy'ngxenye ukuhlukahlukana kwama-chromosome. Lo lezingxenye sibiza ukuthi ama-genes. Alright? And lama-genes lana iwona aphatha ufuzo. And atholakala engxenyeni ethize especific nganibethe lesilungu. And leyo area kuthiwa i-locus. And sonke isikhathi lama-genes lana noma lolu lento zofuzo lezi zihamba ngambili. Eqhamuka kumama neqhamuka kubaba. Alright? Njengokuthi lapho ubaba mude umama mfishane. Uyabona ukuthi na akusasafani olufuzo. Khona ufuzo lobude nofuzo lofishane. Okusho ukuthi lama-genes omabili khona i-gene kuzoba khona i-gene lobude ne-gene lobufishane. Alright? So kulama-genes omabili ke lana awafani and siwabiza ukuthi ke ama-alleles. Alright? It's an allelic pair. So we've got genes and alleles. Mase sibheka manje isiqu somuntu noma sesilwane physical appearance ngombheka nje lokho sibiza ukuthi ke i-phenotype. Uthi mude lo mnyama siyambona ngithi that is physical appearance. Sibiza ukuthi i-phenotype. Bese kuthi i-genotype uhlobo lofuzo analo ngaphakathi kuye. Njengoba ngisho ngibeke nje nayo le example ngisho ukuthi ubaba mude umama mfishane. Ingane izoba nalo ufuzo lobude nofuzo lani lofishane. Kodwa esikubonayo thina sibona ubude mayini ingane. Kodwa inalo i-gene lani lobufishane noma inalo ufuzo lokuba mfishane. Sindlule lapho. Uma ehlangana ke lama-genes noma lolufuzo lo noma lolibo ufuzo lo kukhona elinye elidlula olinye elinye lingabonakali. Njengoba ngisho le futhi sibuyele khona kuye futhi le example yami ukuthi ubaba mude umama mfishane kodwa kuvela ubude kuphela. So lolo fuzo lobude oluvelayo silibonayo sibiza ukuthi lu-dominant. Alright? Should lunamandla noma lu-strong nalolunye. Bese le ngabonakali kodwa ekhona sithi njana i-recessive. So we've got a dominant gene and a recessive gene. A dominant gene is a stronger gene. A recessive gene is a weaker gene. So it's not dominance nor recessive. Alright? Lokho qhamuka phi na lapha ku genetics kunososayensi omdala mkhulu recommended esasithi ke u-father of genetics ukuthi ke uyena umuntu oqala owenza uphenyo noma ucwaningo ukuthi ke kahle ufuzo lidlula kanjani ukusuka kubantu abadala noma ukusuka kuma-parents kuya ey'nganeni. Wakwenza na wenza uphenyo noma i-research noma i-investigation ngokusebenzisa iy'tshalo zobhontshisi noma uphizi, sorry. Lapho khona thatha ophizi abade ubahlanza ophizi abafishane. Iy'ngane zokuqala zonke lezo zazizinde. So ngalokho siyabona ukuthi okusho ukuthi uma uhlanganisa ufuzo olubili ohlukene, different characteristics or contrasting characteristics, zonke iy'ngane zakhona zokhombisa ufuzo lomuntu oyi-one. Wasekhanda umthetho lokuthi i-principle of dominance. Principle of dominance. Uthe mase ithathile ke le y'tshalo zombili ezinde ey'zalwa ubaba umfishane nomama umfishane wayihlanganisa zibe seyiveza iy'ngane ezinde kwaphinde kwavela nenjana nezimfishane sebuya bana lo bafisha bukagogo. Wasekhanda umthetho lapho uthi i-law of segregation, okusho ukuthi lolu libo fuzo luyahlukana uma sekhandeka imbewu. Okay, uma sekhandeka amaqanda nekhandekana na namasperm. That is the principle of segregation. Sindlule lapho. Siyobheka manje sibheka wona ama-genes. Sithe ahamba ngamabili. So uma efana anofuzo olufanayo. Uthola ijini lobude nejini lobude andawonye. Ijini lobufishane nejini lobufishane andawonye futhi. Lokho sikubiza ukuthi ke i-homozygous. They are homozygous. Alright? Uma lama genes engafani, nje ukuthi khona elobude nelobufishane, we say they are heterozygous. Homo means the same. So i-homozygous can also be referred to as a pure breed. Kanti i-heterozygous can also be referred to as a hybrid. Pure breed and a hybrid. Alright? Kwenzeke kwesinye isikhathi ufuzo oluthize lungahlonzwa ama-genes amabili noma yes, ama-genes amabili mhlawumbe abe more than 2 noma abe u-3. La sobe ukuthi ama-multiple alleles. That ama-multiple alleles. Alright? Sindlule lapho. Siye lapha manje kulolu fuzo oluqondene nobulili. Siyazi khona abesilisa nabantu besifazane besifazane. La sobe ukuthi ke ama-sex linked characteristics. Okusho ukuthi nona these are the characteristics that are carried on the sex chromosomes. Ekuqaleni ngithe umuntu unama-chromosome awu-46. Uwa-46 amapheya ahamba nga-2. Okusho amapheya abangakhina awu-23. Uhafu qhamuka kumama, uhafu qhamuka kubani? Ubaba. Kulamapheya awu-23. Amapheya awu-22 owu-44 chromosomes awukhanda umzimba, body cells or somatic cells. Bese kuthi amabili iwona aveza ubulili besilisa nobulili besifazane. Siwabeka kanje nake. Awesifazane siwabhala ngokuthi u-XX. Awesilisa siwabhala ngokuthi u-XY. So umfana u-XY, intombazane iwu-XX. Lokho kusho ukuthi ke uma ubaba ehlangana nomama kwenzeke ukhandeke imbewu, angisho njalo imbewu noma ama-gametes. Ama-sperm kababa amanye azoba no-X, amanye abe no-Y. Kanti amaqanda kamama azoba o-X bodwa. So uma kuhlangana iqanda ka-X ne-sperm sika-Y kuphuma ingane yomfana. Uma kuhlangana iqanda ka-X no-X kuphuma yini? Intombazana. Alright? Love supposed to be ama-sex linked characteristics. Alright? Ahambisana ama-disorders abo akhona njengo-hemophilia kanye ne-color blindness. Bese kuthi ke uma siganisa wonke ama-chromosomes inamba nokuma kwawo nokukhandeka kwawo, lokho sikubiza ukuthi ke i-karyotype. So the term karyotype refers to the number, shape, and arrangement of all the chromosomes in the nucleus of a somatic cell. In each and every cell of a human being, 46 nje. Uma sibheka inamba yawo nokuthi akhandeke kanjani nokuthi alandelana kanjani, lokho sikubiza ukuthi na i-karyotype. Alright? Yilawo ke ama-terms esiwasebenzisa kakhulu lapha ku-genetics. Ama-terms esiwasebenzisa kakhulu ubheka homozygous, heterozygous. Phenotype uhamba no genotype. Dominant uhamba no recessive. Alright? And also enye into esoyibheka uma kuhlangana ufuzo. Uma sibheka ufuzo lodwa sithi sibheka ubude kuphela. Ukuthi ubaba omude sayida mude noma mfishane. Ubaba omude noma mfishane. Kukodwa lo fuzo lo. Sibiza ukuthi ke i-monohybrid cross. A monohybrid cross. It means that crossing of only one characteristic.
Siyanibonga ngokufunda nathi. Siyanimema ukuthi nithamele futhi nakusasa. Ningazithola lezi zifundo ekhasini lethu lika Facebook elithi Go Digital SA Foundation na ku YouTube elithi Go Digital SA Foundation. Ziyatholakala na ku Khosi FM njalo ngoLwesine kusukela ngo-9 kuya ku-10 ebusuku. Ningasithola nango WhatsApp kwinamba yethu ethi 068 151 1072.